Welcome to the hidden life of the grid. We will be unveiling the physics of high-voltage power protection by exploring what happens inside a substation's circuit breaker. The circuit breaker is the guardian of the grid. Unlike a simple switch, it's a high-speed protective device designed to interrupt massive fault currents. Think of it as a resettable fuse that stands ready to protect the grid from catastrophic events like lightning strikes. In the critical moment, milliseconds matter. First, a fault occurs, causing current spikes up to 50,000 amps. Second, the protection relay, or the brain, calculates the fault location and sends a trip signal. Third, the breaker acts instantly, releasing stored energy to pull the contacts apart. The anatomy of this engineering marvel includes the interrupter unit, where the arc is extinguished, and the operating mechanism, which stores energy to quickly separate the contacts. Bushings and insulators safely carry the high voltage into the grounded tank structure. The core problem is taming the plasma. When contacts separate, the electricity refuses to stop, creating an electric arc of pure plasma. This arc is extreme, reaching over 20,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt steel if not extinguished instantly. We see a battle of technologies, SF6 versus vacuum. Sulfur hexafluoride, or SF6, dominates high voltage, using pressurized gas to cool the arc, but is a potent greenhouse gas. Vacuum interrupters dominate medium voltage and are eco-friendly, but are hard to scale for very high voltages. The puffer mechanism uses SF6 gas to extinguish the arc. As contacts open, a piston compresses the SF6 gas. This high-pressure gas then blasts directly into the arc plasma. The gas quickly absorbs the heat, extinguishing the arc. Here is a visualization of the puffer mechanism. Compression moves the piston, compressing SF6. The blast directs the gas into the arc. Cooling is achieved as the gas deionizes the path and extinguishes the arc. Arc extinction relies on perfect timing at, quote, current zero. In AC systems, the current momentarily reaches 0-100 or 120 times per second. The breaker waits for this split-second opportunity to extinguish the arc when the energy is momentarily zero. The future is smart and eco-friendly. Innovations include digital twins and AI for predictive maintenance and robotic safety for remote operation. SF6 alternatives, like clean air, are being developed to eliminate greenhouse gas emissions.